Why seniors are starting online businesses, and you can too. We were raised to believe retirement meant rest, but for many seniors today, it means stress. I talk to women and men in their 60s, 70s, and even 80s who are struggling. Their savings are gone, rent and medicine costs more. They're trying to make ends meet with fixed incomes that don't really go far at all. But what if I told you there's a growing movement of seniors who are finding relief online? Not with scams, not with tech they don't understand, but with a real model: digital resale rights, automation, and mentorship. I was one of them. I couldn't stand for long. It was unbearable. I couldn't handle stress anymore, but I could follow a step-by-step system. Now I make daily income and live with dignity. Again. No one should outlive their money. No one should feel shame for needing a second chance. There's no expiration date on purpose. It's not too late to build your legacy. If I can do this at 73, you can too. Visit my site, Holly Pring Daily Pay, and I will definitely get back to you.